Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a beef shawarma with the salad recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss out upcoming videos. I'm also going to put the link for the hot sauce and tahini sauce as well as pita bread in the description below. To start off, here I have 2 pounds of beef steak. You can use any kind of good steak. Just cut them into stripes against the grain. Once you have them, here I have small onion thinly sliced. Just crush it as you add that so that it has separate florets. Now to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt or as needed, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, that is ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, big pinch of clove, that is ground clove, 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon allspices, or just skip it if you don't have, 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar or just a vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. If you have fresh, just go and grate it, 1/3 of a cup, which is around 4 tablespoon yogurt. I'm using a Greek yogurt. You can add regular yogurt as well. Mix well into the meat by massaging the meat and the onions together. That way the flavors get infused and all the spices get infused in the meat. I'm going to marinate overnight. Before we cook it, we want to remove it at least 30 minutes and bring it to room temperature. Now I'm going to make a salad. 1 small onion thinly sliced. I'm using white onion. You can use red onion for sure. Go ahead and again remove all the flours separately in a bowl. To this I'm also adding 1 large tomato seeded. I don't like the seed because it becomes too watery. So I'm going to remove the seed, but it's okay if you want to add the seeds as well. Go ahead and cut them again thinly, slice them, add it to the onion mixture. When it comes to salad, you can add olives, any kind of olive. I'm adding green olive that is stuffed with the red pepper. You can add black olives as well. And I've used some pickled dill, handful of parsley, just finely chopped. And to this I'm adding half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, black pepper, half a teaspoon sumac. This is something you find in Asian store. If you can't find it, just skip it. 2 to 3 tablespoon olive oil. If you want, you can add some paprika. Combine the salad and set it aside. Here in a skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoon oil. Now bring it to a high heat. Add tablespoon of oil. Go ahead and add the meat and spread it out and turn the heat on a higher setting. Now don't worry, the meat is too much, it's crowded. That's totally fine. We are making a beef shawarma. You don't have to worry about it. Go ahead and cook them until all the water is evaporated and there is no longer any liquid, and then the oil starts separating on the sides. Then you know the beef is nicely cooked through. You have to cook this on a high heat, otherwise it's going to start steaming too much. Transfer into a plate. Now you can make this as a platter and then just serve the pita bread on the side, or you can just serve as a sandwich. Now I'm going to put the link below for my pita bread and the hot sauce. This is a homemade hot sauce that I have, a red hot sauce which is spicy, and I also have a tahini sauce. Now I also have a pita bread recipe that I'm also going to put the link below in the description box so you can check it out. Now I'm going to turn this beef shawarma into a sandwich by adding the beef shawarma into the pita pocket and some hot sauce and the salad recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.